Welcome to our deep dive into Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, a book that's transformed millions of lives by teaching how the rich think and act differently from everyone else. If you've ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth and success effortlessly while others struggle, this video will break down the core principles that set the rich apart. Stick around to the end for a powerful call to action that could change your financial future. Think and Grow Rich isn't just about money, it's a blueprint for success in any area of life. Napoleon Hill spent over 20 years interviewing more than 500 self-made millionaires, including Thomas Edison, Henry Ford, and Andrew Carnegie, to uncover their secrets. The result? 13 principles that anyone can use to achieve their own version of rich, whether that's wealth, happiness, or personal fulfillment. At the heart of the book is a simple but profound idea. Your thoughts shape your reality. If you want to be rich, you must first learn to think like the rich. Hill's first principle is desire. The rich don't just wish for success. They have a burning, all-consuming desire for a specific goal. It's not enough to want something. You have to want it so badly that you're willing to do whatever it takes to achieve it. Hill tells the story of Edwin C. Barnes, who desperately wanted to work with Thomas Edison. His unwavering desire eventually led him to become Edison's partner, not just his employee. Faith is the ability to believe without a shadow of a doubt that you can achieve your goal. The rich cultivate unshakable faith in themselves and their vision. Hill suggests using positive affirmations and visualization to reinforce this belief every day. Autosuggestion means feeding your subconscious mind with positive thoughts and goals. The rich use daily affirmations and self-talk to keep their minds focused on success, not failure. Over time, these repeated thoughts become beliefs and drive action. The rich are always learning. They seek out specialized knowledge relevant to their goals, whether through books, mentors, or hands-on experience. General knowledge is everywhere, but it's specialized knowledge that creates value and opportunity. Imagination is the workshop of the mind. The rich use creative visualization to see themselves achieving their goals. They picture the end result so vividly that it feels real, which motivates them to persist through obstacles. A goal without a plan is just a wish. The rich create detailed, actionable plans and follow through with relentless execution. They adjust their plans as needed, but never lose sight of their definite purpose. Successful people make decisions quickly and stick to them. Indecision breeds doubt and fear. The rich trust their judgment, make bold choices, and take responsibility for the outcomes. Persistence is the common thread in every success story. The rich keep going, even when faced with setbacks. Hill uses Edison's story, failing over 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb, as the ultimate example of persistence paying off. No one succeeds alone. The rich build mastermind groups, a network of like-minded, driven individuals who support, challenge, and inspire each other. This collective energy multiplies each member's success. Your subconscious mind is always working, either for you or against you. The rich carefully guard their thoughts, feeding their subconscious with positivity, faith, and purpose. They avoid negative emotions like fear and jealousy, which can sabotage success. Hill believed that the brain is like a radio, capable of tapping into infinite intelligence. The rich trust their intuition and act on inspired ideas, believing that the universe responds to their focused thoughts and intentions. This principle is about channeling creative and emotional energy into productive outlets. The rich use their passions and desires as fuel for their ambitions, transforming energy into achievement. Finally, the sixth sense is that hunch or gut feeling that guides you toward the right decisions. The rich listen to their intuition and act on it, especially when logic alone isn't enough. To sum up, here's how the rich think differently, according to Think and Grow Rich. They have a clear, burning desire for a specific goal. They believe in themselves and their vision, no matter what. They feed their minds with positive thoughts and affirmations. They are lifelong learners, always seeking specialized knowledge. They visualize success and plan their actions meticulously. They persist through failure and surround themselves with other successful people. They guard their thoughts and emotions, focusing only on what helps them grow. The rich understand that success starts in the mind. By mastering your thoughts, beliefs, and habits, you can transform your reality, just like the world's most successful people have done. If you found these principles inspiring, imagine what could happen if you started applying them today. Don't just watch, take action. Write down your definite purpose, visualize your success, and commit to daily progress. If you want more insights and practical tips from Think and Grow Rich and other life-changing books, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Remember, your journey to wealth and success begins with a single thought. Make it a powerful one. Let me know in the comments. Which principle will you start applying first?